Hello, my dear students, and welcome in a new lesson for this day. Today we are going to take page number 60, and the title of our lesson for this day is Reading Comprehension. So, my dear students, be ready and open your pupil's book on this page. My dear students, let's start our lesson with exercise number 1 that we are going to answer these questions. Question number 1. What did the grandfather want George to collect? He wanted to collect a present for his cousin Sally. Let's go to question number 2. Why didn't George mind going to Mr. Duffy's house? لماذا لم يمانع جورج من الذهاب إلى منزل مستر دافي? Because he loved to go to Mr. Duffy's house and talking to Mr. Duffy about his work, and he was fascinated by Duffy's tools. هو أحب الذهاب إلى منزل مستر دافي من أجل الحديث مع مستر دافي عن عمله، وهو كان مفتون ومبهور جدا بأدوات مستر دافي. Let's go to question number 3. What did George see on the kitchen table and what did he smell? ماذا رأى على طاولة المطبخ وماذا شم؟ The answer for this question is he saw bowls of plums and peaches and smelled simmering fruit. وجد أو شاهد على طاولة المطبخ وعاء فيه الخوخ والبرقوق أو المشمش، وأيضا اشتم رائحة فواكه تطهى على نار هادئة. Let's go to question number 4. What things were growing in the courtyard? ما هي الأشياء التي كانت تنمو في ساحة المنزل؟ The answer is a peach tree and flowers. كانت تنمو الورود وشجرة peach دراق. Now number 5. What things were in Mr. Duffy's workshop? ما هي الأشياء الموجودة في ورشة Mr. Duffy? The answer for this question is there were tools, paints, varnish, brushes, screws and nails. كان متواجد أدوات دهان، ملمع للدهان، فراشي، مفك screws براغي ونيلز مسامير. Let's go to question number 6. What was Mr. Duffy doing when George went into the workshop? ماذا كان يفعل مستر دافي عندما دخل عليه جورج ورشته؟ The answer for this question was he was looking carefully at a thick piece of wood. كان ينظر بدقة وبحذر على قطعة خشب سميكة. Now let's go to question number 7. What was Mr. Duffy like? What did he wear? كيف كان يبدو Mr. Duffy وماذا كان يرتدي؟ The answer is he was extremely tall and thin. He wore a long blue apron. كان يبدو طويلا ونحيفا للغاية، وكان يرتدي مريول طويل لونه أزرق. And now question number 8. How did he seem to George? كيف كان يبدو مظهره لجورج؟ He seemed to George like a wise old bird, sharp-eyed and thoughtful. كان يبدو إلى جورج أنه يشبه طائر كبير بالعمر حكيم، له عينان حادتان، مظهره وقور. Now let's go to question number 9. What three objects were on the table? ما هي الأشياء الثلاثة التي كانت موجودة على الطاولة؟ The answer is there was a large polished box, a small round table, and Sally's present. كان هناك متواجد صندوق مدهون كبير، طاولة صغيرة مستديرة، وأيضا هدية سالي. And now let's go to the last question. Question number 10. What was Sally's present? ماذا كانت هدية سالي؟ It was a wooden boat with sailors in it. كانت عبارة عن قارب خشبي فيها بحارة. Now, my dear students, this is the answer for this question. Now let's move to exercise number 2. Match the adjectives in the box to the nouns. Write the descriptive phrases. هنا سوف نقوم بكتابة الصفات الموجودة لدينا في هذا الصندوق مع الكلمات المتواجدة. لنبدأ. بداية الكلمات الموجودة في الصندوق قراءتها: rosy, tasty, sharp-eyed, neat, polished. سوف نقوم باختيار كلمة من الصندوق تناسب الكلمة المعطاة لدينا. Number 1 polished box. Number 2 sharp-eyed man. Number 3 neat rocks of tools. 4 rosy chicks. 5 tasty food. Exercise number 3. Think about the answers to these questions. Discuss your ideas. تمرين رقم 3. تم مناقشة أسئلته أثناء شرح الدرس. Now, my dear students, write down the answers for this exercise on your book. Now, exercise number 4. Find each verb in the box. Read the whole sentences. Try to guess the meaning. Write the word next to the correct definition below. هنا أعزائي الطلبة سوف نقوم باختيار الكلمة الصحيحة وكتابتها بجانب المعنى الملائم لها. بداية سوف نقرأ الكلمات: waft, simmer, drop, lean, scrutinize, curve, wink, grin, mind, perch. Let's start. To bubble gently over heat. What is the correct word? The correct word is simmer. يعني يغلي ببطء. Let's go to number 2. To shut, then open one eye very quickly while looking at someone. أن تفتح عينك وتغلقها بسرعة وأنت تنظر إلى شخص ما. The correct meaning for this sentence is wink بمعنى يغمز. Number 3. To make an object by cutting from wood or stone. صنع الشيء عن طريق قطع خشب أو حجارة. The correct meaning is curve بمعنى ينحت. 4. To float in the air. The correct meaning is waft بمعنى ينتشر أو يفوح. Let's go to number 5. To hang down. What is the correct word? The correct word is drop بمعنى يتدلى. Let's go to number 6. To bend the body in the middle. What is the correct word? The correct word is lean بمعنى ينحني. Let's go to number 7. To look very carefully. ينظر بحذر. What is the correct word? The correct word is scrutinize بمعنى يفحص أو يتفحص. Now, number 8. To give a very big smile. يعطي ابتسامة كبيرة. What is the correct word? The correct word is grin بمعنى يبتسم. And number 9. To not want to do something. What is the correct word? The correct word is mind بمعنى يمانع. And number 10. To sit on the edge or end of something. يجلس على حافة أو نهاية شيء. What is the correct word? The correct word is perch بمعنى يستقر. Now, my dear students, write down the answers for this exercise.